Hi, everyone out there. Bernie Tully from the law firm of Tully and Tully, wrongful death lawyers from Pennsylvania, talking to you today about, well, what's the idea of wrongful death and punitive damages? What the heck is punitive damages? And how does that factor into the death of your loved one? Simply put, in plain English, punitive damages or punishment damages that a jury can award to you, the wrongful death member, for the outrageous, that's the key word, the outrageous, reckless conduct of the wrongdoer. And I can tell you from experience, nothing upsets a jury more than hearing that the person who killed your loved one, whether it's by a car accident, medical malpractice, death at the workplace, a tragedy and an explosion that causes your loved one's death, nothing gets a jury more upset than hearing that the wrongdoer had notice of the problem. Maybe it's an intersection collision. Maybe it was reported 30 times before that this is a problem. There was 30 other accidents there, and they didn't do nothing about it. If you're going after a borough, for example, and they had notice, either written or oral, and did nothing about it, you can just see it in the eyes of the jurors. They're nodding their head, okay, okay, and they go in that jury room and they are outraged that the wrongdoer didn't do something to take action to remedy the situation. The difference between, in a wrongful death case, the difference between the basic economic, medical expenses, funeral expenses, etc., that you're entitled to recover as a family member in a wrongful death case, and the punitive damages can be enormous. Because the good news is, in a wrongful death case, these punitive damages are tacked on to the other factors that a jury considers that I mentioned to you above. So the sky's basically the limit on punishment damages. It's whatever a jury determines would be a good, effective way to get the attention of the wrongdoer to stop this procedure and to make changes in the procedure so it doesn't happen again to another family member or a member of our society. That's the basic idea behind punitive damages. And there was a case in Pennsylvania not too long ago where a jury gave, this is an outrageous, almost $1 billion on a sole case, a tragic death case, based upon, in fact, the lack of provisions that the wrongdoer made to remedy a situation that it knew was occurring. And no attorney can say, well, we guarantee you'll get X number of dollars or anything like that for your wrongful death case of this tragedy that your family's going through. But I can tell you that we will leave no stone unturned in trying to find out whether there's a basis for these punitive or punishment damages against the wrongdoer. The Tully and Tully law firm approaches these wrongful death cases and family members in a caring, compassionate way. We're not an attorney or a law firm that gives orders to you. We want to listen to you and just let you know that we really care about you and your case and your family's tragic death. And that's what, if you look at our Google reviews, you'll see often is that we're a caring law firm. It's not just talk, it's the real deal. And we just ask you to give us a try. Call us at 412-281-8700 if you want to hear more about it. We're always open to it. The call is free. We travel anywhere throughout Pennsylvania. Thank you much, Bernie Tully. Thank you.